In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take a full web page screenshot in Google Chrome. So let's get started. This is a Medium blog. It is a very long page, as you can see. I'm going to show you how you can take a screenshot of the full page, not just the part showing on the display now. So for that, you have to go to the developer tool first. So to go to the developer tool, you can click on the three dot menu icon on the right top corner and click on more tools and then click on developer tools, or you can just press Ctrl Shift and I together to be on this page, on this developer tool. Here the developer tool appeared on my left side, and now I have to click once again on these three dots here and run command, or after appearing in this developer tool I can press Ctrl Shift and P together to run a command. Here after this run command window appears, I'll type screenshot. Here I have three options. First one is capture area screenshot. If I select this one, then I'll be able to select a specific area of the screen and take a screenshot, but I want to take the screenshot of the full web page. Okay, so for that I have to click on capture full size screenshot here, and after clicking on this button, based on the length of the web page, it will take a few seconds, and after completing the screenshot you will be prompted to save, or it will be directly downloaded to your download folder. So here I have set to prompt before saving any file. Here I'm giving a name of the file and clicking on the save button. After saving the screenshot, I'm going to the directory where I have saved the screenshot, and here as you can see it is a long web page and the size of the file is around 4 MB. If I open the file, I can see that it is a thin long image, but don't worry, just press Ctrl and scroll up, then it will zoom in, and then we can go to the top of the page or wherever we want. So this is actually an image of the page we are seeing in the browser, and we can read the web page in image format, preserving the original quality. So this is how you can take the screenshot of the full web page, and in my following tutorial I'll be showing you some other additional pro tip which you can apply before taking the full page screenshot. Until next time, have a good day.